Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your LED blobs over the motherboard. This is an E81 cluster. You can change your blobs over that way. First you need the marker just to put the marks over the minus side. As you see, the minus side is with a small cut on the edge of the LED blob. That's how you recognize the minus side and put the mark over the motherboard, so you can notice the minus side when you put your new LED blub with this. Have that one, it's really helpful. So how to take it out is really easy, nothing special. It's just, you just have to lift this one up. You just have to lift it up. It's kind of hard for me to keep it. That's the way. So get a little bit of a tin, put it on this here. Once you put the tin, you can go forward and put your new white blub. So how to put it? Really easy. You do it from the first side first, and then you do it from the second side. You can also pressure it. Make sure, you have to make sure that it's soldered. Make sure that it's soldered.